Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm really excited to share with you my top picks for capturing high quality audio in the wedding filmmaking industry. You will get an inside look at the microphones I use, and I will show you how I incorporate them into my workflow on a wedding day. If you are new to the world of filmmaking and looking for a high quality microphone to capture excellent audio, then you might want to check out the Sony Tx650. One standout feature of this microphone is the ability to capture amazing quality audio. But how can you use it in a practical setting, for example like a wedding? Well, one option is to tape it onto another microphone, which is perfect for recording vows or speeches. Hello, 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 hello. And to make sure it looks great on camera, you can also use a microphone sock that easily fits the Sony microphone in place. But that's not all. The Sony Tx650 is also super portable and really easy to clip onto a suit or clothing. So if you need to capture speeches or interviews on the fly, you can take it with you wherever you go. Alright, so my go-to microphone for capturing vows is the Tascam, and that's for a really good reason. It simply records the best audio and I will never have to worry that it will let me down. When it comes to recording something as important as wedding vows, you want to have a microphone that you can trust to deliver great results every single time. In addition to the Tascam microphone, I have one white and one black microphone. The white microphone is perfect for wedding dresses, while the black microphone fits perfectly with the groom's suit. If you are wondering how we fit the lav mic into a wedding dress, it's actually pretty simple. We use a strap that goes around the leg where you can easily fit in the Tascam recorder. Then we attach stickies to the inside of the dress to keep the microphone in place. We can do this before the bride puts on the dress, or if we have some alone time with the bride, we can attach the mic right before the ceremony. It's a quick and easy process that doesn't take too much time. I am really lucky to run this business together with my girlfriend. She is really great at communicating with the bride about when and how to attach the lav mic. Let me tell you about the audio tools I use for backing up my audio. I always make sure to have at least one backup audio system with me, because you never know what could happen. Because you never know what could happen to the audio that you recorded. Alright, so my first backup audio tool is the Zoom H1. You can screw it onto a standard tripod and place it in front of the speakers. This way you can have clear audio recording of the entire event, because guys, you never know when something goes wrong with the primary microphone. Another great way to back up your audio is by using a microphone on top of your camera. For this, I use the Rode VideoMic Pro. It has some great functions and delivers high quality audio recordings. I find this especially useful when I want to have more freedom to walk around during the ceremony. Now that you know about the different microphones and audio tools I use for the wedding filmmaking, let's test them out and see which one you think sounds the best. This is a sound check to let you hear the sound quality of the Sony Tx650. Have a beautiful day. So this is just a really quick sound check to let you hear how the Tascam sounds. What's up guys? So this is just a really quick way to let you hear how the Zoom H1 sounds like. It's up to you if you like it or if you don't like it. Alright, so this is the Rode microphone. This is just a really quick test to let you hear how the Rode microphone sounds like. Important, before we wrap up, I want to mention one last thing. You don't need to have expensive equipment to produce great audio. With the right tools like DaVinci Resolve, you can make even cheap audio recordings sound amazing. And as always, thanks for watching, and I will check you out in the next one. Have a good day. Bye bye.